Are you wasting your time? Here's the wake-up call you need. Imagine waking up every morning to find $86,400 deposited into your bank account. No strings attached, but there's one rule. Whatever you don't use by the end of the day is gone forever. Would you waste it, or would you use every last cent to improve your life? Now, replace dollars with seconds. Every day, life gives you 86,400 seconds. Time is the most valuable currency you will ever own. The question is, how are you spending it? The unseen cost of wasted time. Here's a truth no one talks about. The time you waste is not just lost, it is actively stolen from your future self. Every minute you spend procrastinating, overthinking, or chasing distractions is a minute you have robbed from your future achievements, wealth, and happiness. Think about it. What if you knew that by wasting today, you are setting yourself up for a life you don't want? A future where you struggle, regret, and wonder why you didn't try harder when you had the chance. The myth of plenty of time. One of the biggest lies people believe is that they have plenty of time. But look at your life right now. How many things have you already postponed? How many dreams are on hold because you think there's still time? Time is like a snowball. The earlier you start using it wisely, the bigger the rewards. But the longer you wait, the harder it gets. What you do with your time today will determine whether your future is a dream or a nightmare. The silent killers of your time. Most people don't waste time because they're lazy. They waste time because they don't realize what's stealing it. Here are some silent killers of your 86,400 seconds. 1. Overconsumption without action. Watching motivational videos but never applying the advice. Reading books but never implementing the lessons. This is disguised procrastination. 2. Being busy instead of productive. Filling your day with tasks that don't move your life forward. Checking emails, organizing your desk, attending useless meetings. Activity is not progress. 3. The approval trap. Spending time trying to impress others instead of building yourself. Every second spent seeking validation is a second lost from your own growth. 4. Mental loops. Replaying past mistakes, overthinking, doubting yourself. Your mind is either a prison or a launch pad. Choose wisely. 5. Waiting for motivation. Motivation is temporary. The people who succeed are the ones who act even when they don't feel like it. Discipline is the real game changer. The 24-hour reset rule, time as a daily game. Here's a perspective shift that will change your life. Imagine every day is a game. At midnight, the clock resets. You start fresh. What if you treated each day as a chance to level up, to be better than yesterday? The most powerful people in the world don't think in years, they think in days. What did I build today? What did I learn today? What did I improve today? Small wins, repeated daily, create unstoppable momentum. How to own your 86,400 seconds. If you want to take control of your time, you need a strategy. Here's how you do it. 1. Start with the one thing. Every morning decide, if I accomplish only one thing today, what will make the biggest difference? 2. Cut the noise. If something doesn't help your future, cut it. Drama, distractions, and doubts don't deserve your time. 3. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Stop letting small tasks pile up. 4. Gamify your time. Turn productivity into a challenge. See how much progress you can make in 24 hours. 5. End the day with reflection. Before you sleep, ask yourself, did I use today wisely? If not, what will I change tomorrow? The truth about regret. The most painful thing in life is not failure, it's regret. Regret for the time you wasted, the dreams you abandoned, the days you let slip away. The good news? You're not too late. Right now, you still have time. You still have 86,400 seconds today. The question is, will you waste them, or will you use them to build a future you'll be proud of? You have 86,400 seconds today. Use them or lose them.